This is Mike Cleveland. Long time no see. Yeah, this last year has been really wild and stuff. So I'm just shooting a quick video on my phone, but I would like to leave some information with you that could help you. So if you're struggling in your program, whatever that program is, this is a generic, non-specific information that can apply to any business opportunity. You know, out there they say success leaves crumbs. Yes, it does. There are people on the internet talking about your program, your very program right now, and they're talking about the success they're having, how much money they're making, and they're also giving tips on what they're doing. So basically, you only need three things to become successful. Success leaves crumbs, okay? You're gonna need a pencil, a pen, paper, okay? A notepad. And if I was you, I'd just get a notepad and write this down. And you need to use your brain to come up with the right question to ask. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Google, and I prefer Google over YouTube or Quora or something like that because it's limiting to just that one site. But if you go to Google and you ask this question, Google is going to give you a whole bunch of different websites, platforms, blogs, YouTube videos, and you're going to have a whole slew of things where you can pick the best answer to your question. So the question you're going to ask Google is this: put your program name in Google and ask, how do I become successful with blank? How do I make money with blank? And then you just do that, and you're gonna come up with blogs. You're gonna come up with YouTube videos where people are talking about how much money they made, how they're having success with their program, and it's your program that you're in. See how you can do this with any program. And they're going to give you tips. They're going to say, oh, I used this and this worked for me. And some people might even say, this didn't work for me. I tried this and this didn't work for me, but I had really good success doing this. So I would like to just leave that with you today. If you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up. Okay, a thumbs up. I haven't been doing this in a while, so I've been out of the game because of COVID and just the past year and stuff. I don't want to go through all of that. We're on a fresh start and stuff. But just give me a likes up. And if you like my channel and you like the kind of videos I do, subscribe to my channel. I plan on doing more videos. With that, I'm Michael Lee Cleveland. And I was going to start a new channel after being away for a while, but I figured that I'll just hang with what I got and be faithful to the few that I have and grow that channel from there. All right, you guys take care. Bye.